Okay guys, so now we're going to start the real review. Okay, what I get it in the box, as you can see, one strap, and there's a one more something like for the side. I just want to show you what exactly things they have. I don't bring out the USB because I have many USB cables for my phone so I can charge. So just put it back here. You know what thing I inspired? They have a double packing, and the packing in the box is really nice. Okay, this is the straw. It was completely actually like this. So I don't use it because it's every time I have to clean and mess up. So personally, I don't want to bring out and all the time cleaning. We get this blender to make it life easy, not difficult. So yeah, maybe the girls, they can happily keep using and clean, but for me as a man, I just bought for my quick and easy work. Oh, this one also for the top. So yeah, I'm not going to use this. So okay, so now I'm going to use with ice berry. I just actually, since I bought first time, I make a shake one time and completely work, and still the battery is still available. But because I make a review again, I make sure I already make one time shake and it's really satisfying. Okay, so maybe first I will give you a little bit idea. So what is the size actually? The real size for this one is almost 8 inches. Almost 8 inches. Okay, and the down width is almost 5 inches. Oh, sorry, 4.5 inch. Okay, so yeah, from here but down. The bottle is a plastic bottle. So here is the packing, the quality, seriously so nice. The material so nice. As you can see, it's open like that, and there's a lock. You can lock it. But the main point is, there's many people they are selling online a blender USB, but not much powerful. Let's see, this is the real test now. Still let it be charged for because I don't want, maybe I will do just testing here online on camera on recording review, and suddenly just because of battery anything stop. So it's already have battery, but I just try to in case make sure that nothing will be. And there's this blades here. Nobody give a proper review. I don't understand why when people make a review they are just in rushing, honestly, and I don't like it. I mean, I want to see, when I want to buy something, I feel like I want to see each and everything. What is this, what is that, what is down, how the everything stuff, that you're going to pay money, you're going to buy something with your hard-earned money, and they just quick showing. Okay, so anyway, the battery look quite solid because I use one time and still have battery. Now it's a frozen berries. I'm going to put here frozen berries. Okay, wow, this is quite big actually. Just let it go. Frozen berries, as you see, still frozen. Okay, done. I forget to take a milk. I take a milk. Okay, so second, bananas. I'm going to add bananas, all frozen bananas. So it's right here, already gone inside. And now this is the ice here. So this is standard ice cube, not the crushed one. If you use crushed one, more small, much better, but it's okay. I'm going to do, these are quite big actually. If it can make this, I think, wow, it will be really amazing, but I don't think so. Possibility it can stuck or stop for a while, but I don't know. Let it try first. Too much ice. It's like a professional blender. Actually, it's a lot of big ice chunks. I don't know, it can make it. I have a little bit doubt about that, but let's see. Just put little honey here. I'm gonna put the honey here. Okay, like a maybe 2 spoon, almost more than 2 spoon actually. But it's okay, honey. As so, just put a little bit milk. Okay, so let's start and see how things work. It's charging already almost 5 minutes, right? We start video is still charging, but it's okay. I'm gonna close it. Once you close it, for example, I bring out the charger. See, the light is off, but once you close it here, light will be on. Not yet, not yet. Yes, blue light on mean it's ready. Okay, so a little bit more tight. Exactly, it comes full tight perfectly when it's down to Mecco mini blender portable. Now let's start. 1, 2, 3. Double click. Yeah. You have to keep taking time. Must move it. Okay, stop for a while. You know, honestly, I put a lot of load here. This load I give normally in a big blender. This is a mini blender. I am impressed. I just give a little bit rest. Let it be a little bit settled down. Again, double click. Okay. Again, I don't want to skip the video because many times people, they skip the video. And we don't know what they've done, right? So here again, just a little bit. The real-time review, honest review, not a drama, skip the video, stop the video, no. Okay, let's stop. So yeah, so far it's a very heavy load. I purposely give. If normally I make a load, I will not make this kind of heavy, but I want to make a maximum load so you can see where the machine can stuck. But this one, normally nobody make it so much banana and this. But yeah, honestly successful. Last time I make it with the less banana, less ice and less berries and it was perfectly. But this time, because of review, I make it full. You see almost full. This is really heavy for that, but now I just stop it before it's automatically stop because they have the machine have a timer for 40 seconds automatically stop. But I want to do it's never stop. Yeah, this is automatically every 40 seconds. See, almost done, but I feel inside still have some kind of things and I'm giving time to little cool down. Yeah, automatically. Oh, maybe you see the red light come. This red light mean is hot. Maybe when it little cool down, it will be off automatic. Ah, this is off already. Before I try to press, but it's not work. So actually, it's almost ready. Yeah, almost done, but have a little bit the big ice cubes. That is the main stuck. But yeah, I can see, you can see a little bit. I feel there's a still, but you can bring out, you can drink, and then you can grind again. But because of water, it's just maybe floating. So that's why. But honestly, I'm really satisfied. What you can expect more than this in this blender. See, there's now I'm double click, but I think it's a low bat. Already use a lot, and now you can see there's a blue light working, or maybe for heat. Ah, okay. Stop already. Maybe this is for low bat. I cannot use it charging in the same time we work. No. But if I remove charger, No, still giving blue light. I think this is because of heat. Maybe they'll need time for, I don't think so it's a low bat. This is for timing blue light blinking. I have to check on the manual here what is the meaning of blue light, battery, blender current. Yeah, there's a features. Product indicator. Common problem. Yeah, it's not a problem actually. Overheating protection, wait 15 minutes. Okay. Low battery charge. Motor stop, low battery charge, cut off, tight. Yeah, this is the main things like we have to see. You can check if you don't have manual in case. So yeah, this is the English version here. I will recommend it. You know, maybe even there's still a little bit stuff here, but if the good thing is about this, it's not stock, because I see a lot of grinder when they put the ice they stop. The blender is a stop, but this one not stop. This is a good thing. So whatever you can put, like normally people use papaya, jackfruit, avocado, even the carrots, it's okay. Mangoes, apples for sure. If any blender can handle the ice, so you just don't have to worry. For sure you can handle everything, because ice is the most strongest stuff for any blender. So if blender can, because ice like a stones, crystal stones, and many blenders like this kind of portable mini blenders I see in the video, they stuck on the ice, and people they just put, you know, like drama like papaya. Papaya I can mash in my hand, papaya, or you know, avocados, jackfruits, watermelon. It's a fun, it's a joke. You can smash in your hand. Blender should be something you can do it. You want to make a blend, really blend. I mean, if I want to put papaya in the milk, and I can do with my hand like tuk, 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 tuk. Might be it can be kind of shake also. So now it takes time, 15 minutes. I think this is just for overheating protection. So yeah, so I have to wait for 15 minutes, but it's okay. After 15 minutes I can run again. So far actually, if I not put a lot of heavy weight on it, it's enough time to blend actually. But you see, it's almost work. If you check the time on YouTube, it works almost for 5 minutes, I think, or maybe 2 to 3 minutes non-stop. And 2 to 3 minutes for any kind of shake is a lot. But because it's heavy load here, I put extra load to see the best performance. And the good thing is warranty for 1 year. And you see, the company really respect the customer. And you can see here, one thing I like it here, there's a double packing. The one packing is here, box. How the company, they really spend money even on the packing. Very nice packing. And another packing comes with this, and very nice, including down they write all the things, everything, as you can see. So nice, good quality box, strong box. Even I inspired with the box, like wow, because mostly China product, you know what we consider like nothing. Quite solid box, nice packing with the upside, everywhere is a written, same as a picture. So yeah, I will highly recommend it. I already use again. Yeah, this is a protection. So let's take time, and after its grinds done, I can just use it, bring out this here. Okay. Actually just put it here, just like that. And actually you can drink. You can drink with this also. Actually you can, no need to put it like this. I mean, if you can put it, if you are at home, you can try. But you can see still have ice, but ice slip because of the milk. So yeah, I'm going to finish my mission, and next time not put a lot of ice, only the ice. Yeah, still the same icon coming here. So it's overheating, sure. Slightly heat. I don't feel actually any heat here. I think maybe it's about the battery. Let's charge it. But I don't think so. It's about battery. It's about heat. Okay, I will wait. No wonder they give 1 year warranty with very confidence, because they give a really high protection. So once your overheating's done, for 15 minutes you cannot use this blender, so you have to focus for 5 minutes, your work will be done. Otherwise for 15 minutes you have to wait. It's a quite long time. So yeah, I will clean up this stuff here and see you soon after 10 minutes. Okay, it takes only 5 minutes and start working so far. Yeah, again. Yeah. Now the real stuff happened. Now the real shake working. Now you can see it's stuck. It's stuck, and red light start. The one thing I know, because why this thing happening, because low battery. If your battery is low, the motor have less power. And I didn't charge properly until, yeah, I didn't charge this one since I bought it properly. Maybe 10 minutes I charged during making video. So yeah, quite nice. If you see now, everything is done already, quite thick. But now because of low battery, is getting so far perfect. Hope you like the video. You can ask me any question, and yeah, you can see even like this also is going to stop quickly because low bat. I have to charge it, I understand. So yeah, quite satisfied, and I enjoy this. I already make it last time and I really enjoy it. Now you can see everything is done, but because of low bat, when it start, yeah, totally low bat. I was exactly right. Now it's totally red light, mean battery is low. So whenever the shake there is stuck, now it's not turning on. So I have to charge again. Actually I should first charge 100%, then I make, but it's okay. So far perfect. I'm very satisfied, and I will highly recommend this one. It's much better compared to many blender I see on YouTube. They are just putting soft stuff, and this is the best one so far. Hope you like the video. Thumbs up. You can ask any question if you want. See you in the next video. Take care.